Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do a deep dive demonstration of the ad policy grader tool. But before I do that, I would like to briefly talk about, why we build this tool and how it works. So as some of you know that MonetizeMore is a Google certified publishing partners, which means that we work with a lot of publishers. And when we work with a lot of publishers, we need to ensure that our publishers are protected from the impact of revenue clawback as well as any form of AdSense or AdX account terminations. So we build this tool to protect them, number one. At the same time, we also build this tool to protect ourselves. So if you are a Google certified publishing partner, like us, you are definitely aware that Google provides with the termination as well as the traffic quality score. So we ensure that our termination and the traffic quality scores are in a healthy margin, so that our MCM account are protected as well. And how does this tool exactly work? So what this tool does is that when you type a domain and scan that domain for any ad policy violations, it analyzes over hundreds of pages of that specific website in order to pinpoint if there are any potential policy issues within the website that needs to be addressed. And when it finds such issues, it also provides with actionable insights so that you can use those information to fix the problem. So who benefits from this tool? So first of all, of course, the publishers, because as a publisher, you want to protect your revenue as well as you want to protect your AdSense or Google Ad Manager account. And while some of the ad policy issues are very easy to identify and fix through a Google Policy Center, but a lot of those ad policies issues are very nuanced. And I like to provide an example. So consider you are a publisher and you decided to change the layout of your website. What can happen is if you have some ad units on the website, the ad units may be overlapping on top of each other, which is often known as ad stacking. And let's say the ad stacking happens in specific scenarios, perhaps only in iPhone. So the problem may not be always visible. And what the impact of this problem is that those impressions going to those ad units may be considered as invalid impressions. That means that at the end of the month, you are likely going to get a revenue clawback. But if you use Ad Policy Grader as a tool or the Traffic Hub as a full product, you get to see those informations and be able to fix promptly. And as for the Google Certified Publishing Partners and the MCMs, as I mentioned previously, you can screen your publishers for faster approval with Google. And at the same time, you can also ensure that they are compliant with Google policies, which means that your own MCM account are protected. You can keep the traffic quality score as well as the termination score at a healthy margin. And the Ad Policy Grader tool is actually a part of Traffic Hub. Traffic Hub has other tools within its umbrella. So we have invalid traffic detection system. We have ad click spam detection system, as well as we have recently added the ad policy violations detection system. So if you're an ad ops, now you have a one-stop shop to analyze all these aspects which impacts revenue clawback as well as account terminations. Last but not least, this tool also helps the SSPs, media buyers, agencies, and advertisers. So if you want to ensure that every dollar you spend are going to brand safe websites, then Ad Policy Grader is a tool you can use to ensure that. So what are the competitive edges we have? Like, what makes the ad policy greater and traffic out different? First of all, we have almost 80 different checks that we do on every single pages of our website in order to ensure that you are as compliant with Google as possible. Secondly, we are using some of the latest technologies. Like we are using AI to analyze every pages. We're using LLMs to understand the contents that the publishers are posting in the website to determine whether those contents are compliant with the policies or not. And of course, if you're using Traffic Hub as a full product, every month you get to see the status of your website in terms of ad policies, and which means that you will have actionable insights to keep your website protected. And last but not least, you have one place to analyze invalid traffic, click spam, as well as ad policy issues in the same dashboard.